an empty chair usually means nothing. But sometimes, that quiet gap is the first sign that someone is alone, unaccounted for, and at risk. When someone doesn't show up, we fill in the gap for them. Maybe the van's delayed, they missed a check-in, or they just got held up. An unanswered phone or a late arrival feels easy to explain away. That's how assuming quietly replaces knowing. Workplace routines make these stories feel normal. We trust the pattern because most days the pattern holds. But holidays, reduced staffing, and temporary cover can quietly turn a regular shift into lone working. Or imagine Sally opens the building early, before anyone else arrives. She trips and falls, knocking herself out, and no one sees it happen. Each colleague assumes someone else knows where she is. If something happened today, how would anyone know? There's a big difference between assuming someone is safe and actually knowing they're safe. Don't let that empty office chair go unnoticed. If that is the assumption for the empty chair that you can see, now think about your remote workers. What assumptions are you making for your lone workers? Visit our website at myteamsafe.co.uk. Ask us about our free, no obligation trial.